and welcome to Guinevere's Mocktails. Today is the first of many drinks in the month of Halloween, more commonly known as October. The first drink that we will be making this month is called the Vampire Slayer. So, you don't need to keep any of those wooden stakes around anymore. Just drink one of these and you'll be vampire free. In the Vampire Slayer, there's a smidge of black garlic honey made from fresh perspective. I got this at a farmer's market that I went to. And I was able to try a little bit. And I was able to think. And I was able to come up with this drink. Using the black garlic honey. There's half an ounce of honey mix. There's half an ounce of orange juice. Half an ounce of lemon juice. Half an ounce of pineapple syrup, and 2 ounces of San Pellegrino. Now we fill up our shaker with ice. I wonder where that went. Thank you, thing. That should be good. And now we put in our smidge of black garlic honey. And you only need a smidge of the black garlic honey because it is very potent. Anything more and it completely takes over your drink. Now we do the half ounce of honey mix, the half ounce of orange juice, the half ounce of lemon juice, the half ounce of pineapple syrup, and the 2 ounces of San Pellegrino. Then you put on the lids. And then you shake it in a circular motion so that everything gets mixed together, especially the black garlic honey. And today we will be using a coupe glass, so there's no need for ice. You take off the top lid, and do not drop this, like I almost did, because that will make a very big mess. And then you pour it in. No ice in a coupe glass, because then it will overflow. Like so. And then, for a garnish, today I will be using some black garlic cloves from Fresh Perspective. Let's see if I can open this. Time to put you in. There you go. There you go. And now we take a sip of our vampire slayer. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. That is how you make the vampire slayer. And I hope to see you next time on Guinevere's Mocktails. Bye-bye. It's so much fun trying to see red numbers over red light. Alright, now I'm ready. I forgot the orange juice. That'll definitely keep the vampires away.